Hi everyone, welcome to Learn Easily channel. I am your Harish. Here in this video I am going to present you the PDF utilities. Means the PDFs what we are getting through WhatsApp or Telegram PDF files. We are going to split the PDF pages, or we are going to delete the pages in PDF, or extract the images from the PDF, or we have to add any pages to PDF and all. How to make them easily in your phone. So in this video I am going to tell you how to use some of the features of PDF in your phone and how to convert them, or how to add the pages, how to delete the pages and everything. Before going to the video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and share the useful videos to your friends. Now let us begin. Here first go to Play Store, type PDF utility. In that PDF utility, the third one, PDF utility PDF tools, click on it and install this one, PDF utility PDF tools, split, merge PDF image to PDF etc. Install this app, then go to your menu, open the PDF utility app. Here is PDF utility app. Here the options are the tools in this PDF utility. There are many tools, split PDF, and split PDF means if the PDF contains 10 pages, if you want 1 to 5 or 2 to 8 or 5 to 10, here you can split it. And merge PDF, merge means if you have two PDF files, make it one, altogether make it one, merge the PDF, add images to PDF, lock the PDF, unlock the PDF, PDF to images, then extract pages from the PDF, extract images from the PDF, then add images, rotate the pages inside the PDF. There are many options are available in a single app PDF utility. You can make all these in your phone itself. Now I will show you how to split. Click on the split PDF. Then here there are many options, number of pages, how many numbers you want to split, or how many files you want to split that PDF, whether you want to split it at 2 pages or 1. How many pages you want to split that PDF, or how many files you want, or specific range. Specific range is nothing but 1 to 5, 2 to 4 or 5, like that. Now first select one PDF from your phone. I will select 10th KSEB. This I selected. I want to specifically 1 to 5 page. Type here 1 to 5, or you want 3 to 5, 3 to 5, whatever it may be, range of the pages, and give split. It will take a few seconds. Now your splitting is done. Now you go back to your file manager. That file manager in internal storage, you will have the folder named PDF utility page. Search the PDF utility page, the folder. See here the 10th KSEB, the PDF which I selected. Here is the 10th KSEB. Now see the second one. Second one will be definitely the page number 3, 3, 4, 5. Only 3 pages is splitted. Okay. See, this is the best app we can use in our phone to edit the PDF files. You can split and merge. Merge PDF is nothing but select files. First file, go to internal, select a PDF. If you are going to merge, see I select 1, then 2. Click on it. See, you can make arrange. If you want to go to second one as a first, make it first, or third file. If you want to add a third file, you can add the third file also. See here, I'll add a third file. I added third file. See, you can arrange them, which one you want to go to first, which one you want to go to last. You can arrange them, then give a right mark. It will take a second, then close. Go to your file manager. In that file manager, go to the folder PDF utility, then see here the new document which is merged all the 3 PDFs in a single PDF. See, this is the app PDF utility. You can make use of this app and you can split, merge, add images, extract images, rotate the pages in your PDF. Everything you can do by using this app in your phone only. No need to go to laptop and all. Within your phone you can make use of this PDF utility app and you can edit your PDFs in your phone. I hope it may be useful. Go to that app and do more of your work. Try it and you can make use of that app. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel and share my channel videos to your friends. Subscribe to my channel, go to Learn Easily, then go to videos and scroll down to watch more videos in my channel. Watch the videos in my channel and learn easily.